Hi, boys and girls. We are going to do an activity today with our spelling words with some colors. So the first thing I want you to do is put your name on your paper. So I'm going to write mine here. And then what we do is we look at the color of the crayon, and whatever word is written next to that color is the word we write on the line. So this color is brown. So here's brown, and the word big is written next to it. So under brown, please write big. B-I-G. Okay, my next crayon is blue. So if I look up here, I see blue, and win is the word written next to blue. So I'm going to write W-I-N. What color is this one? It starts with a P. Purple, you're right. So that word is dig. D-I-G. Okay, the next word is black. And black is right here. And the word next to black is kid. So let's write kid. K-I-D. So we have 4 of our spelling words done so far. Boys and girls, can you tell me what this color is? Yeah, it's orange. Good. So next to orange is the word pit. P-I-T. Pit. Good. I bet you know this one. R-E-D. Red. Good. Here's red. And Kim is the word. Kim is the name of a person. So we are going to capitalize that K. K-I-M. Good. 4 more. You're doing great. This is yellow. So up here I find yellow, and the word is did. D-I-D. Good. Pink is the next one. We girls, we love pink, right? And some of our friends that are boys, they like pink too. Hit. H-I-T. Next crayon, there's 2 more, is green. So if I find green up on my list, it's here. And the word is kid. K-I-D. And the last color, this one we didn't really talk about too much. It's gray. So gray is here. And the word is sis. That's what I call my little girl, Allie. I call her sis. Okay, so now if you still have time, if you don't have time, it's okay. But if you have time, I would like you, oops, let me use my crayon. Oops, not that one. To color the crayons, the colors that they should be. So this one's brown. I'm going to color the crayon brown. We do our best. We get all of the lines, all of the white spaces. Good. The next crayon is blue. So I color blue like this. Okay, so we'll just keep coloring here.